Y'all, it's 6 o'clock. I was at home chilling. Had my jammers on and everything. Look, I just threw this on over it. Look, did I show too much? I know it's bright. You probably can't even see me. I'm like a ray of sunshine right now. But I was at home with my jammers on. Like, I'm cozy. I'm chilling. All my meals are in. All my steps are in, y'all. Your girl is at 18,710 steps. Look, I'm chilling. And then I'm scrolling through Instagram and I see, who did I see post this? I know Nicole posted it, but I saw somebody else post it prior to her. And I was like, oh God, do I really want to run? Because with Shopkick, you know, with Shopkick, they be tripping. You know, you'll get to the store and be in line and be about to submit your receipt or whatever, and they'll pull the rug right from under you. Just like that. You be like, dang, Shopkick. And then you gotta fight with 6 different representatives just to get your kicks. And then there's still a chance that you still won't get your kicks. So I'm on my way to Walmart, y'all. Look, I told you, so I said, babe. I was telling her, I was like, if it's there tomorrow morning at 6, then this is the universe is like Chanel. It's meant to be. Oh, you can't even see me. If it's there in the morning, then the universe got me. And the universe was like, Chanel, it's meant to be. But I was like, dang, the deal is too good that I don't want to chance it. Then I found these. And I was like, I definitely gotta do this deal. So I will talk to y'all when I get there. I didn't even do the full breakdown. We're going for Dove Men Care. I gotta fill this bottle up. Joseph's like, can you get some water? I was like, babe, I just filled up the other water bottle this morning. Well, you know, it might be nighttime and I might need me some water. And he always say that. And then I wake up in the morning and guess what I still see? A full ass bottle of water. He didn't drink none of the one I got. So I said, okay, babe, I'll get you some water so you don't die of dehydration overnight while I'm asleep. So yeah, so I have, it's all done. Alright guys, I'm gonna try to make this super duper quick. I have scanned everything scans on Shopkick. I was happy to see that these 2 counts work, and I was happy to find the smaller bottle, the 2-in-1. It's scanned as well. Everything scanned, okay? Limit is 2 for all of them. All right, the body wash is priced at $5.74. Getting back $7.90 makes it a $2.16 moneymaker times 2. These were priced at $4.47. So those are gonna be a $3.43 moneymaker for each one. I'm sorry, my phone is going off, y'all. That's Amy. Hey, Amy. Plant-based body washes are $7.97. So those are 7 cents. The bars are $5.97. Those were a $1.93 moneymaker. These are a $2.92 moneymaker. And then the deodorants, I showed you guys the $2. I don't know where I got these from. But I have these. So I'll be using 4 of these for all of these here. And that will make each of, well, one is $7.97 and one is $7.86. So they're like pennies apart, but basically almost $2 moneymaker for each of those. So I'm gonna go check out. Now my total after coupons for all of this should be $81.92, and then I should get back $110.60 from Shopkick. And it better work out, y'all, because if it don't, I will be back here first thing in the morning returning it. I'm not even joking. And so let's go check out. So let me tell you really quick. Okay, so I did 2 different transactions because the coupon, it only took 2 of them. So I was just like, okay, well, it looked like it scanned on the blue one, the Cool Fresh one. It looked like it scanned on this one, and so we took off the Saddlewood one and did them separately, and it still didn't scan. But the cashier was super, I love that kid. He's super awesome, and he basically just price modified them to $5.97 for me, which is cool. Let me show you really quick. Okay, so he just basically price modified them to $5.97, which is awesome. All right, and then the other receipt, I figured since I only have a couple of receipts, I could show y'all some receipts because I usually don't be showing receipts. Okay, and then this is what this receipt looks like. All right, focus, man. So basically, I grabbed 2 of each. All right, and my subtotal was what I said it was going to be, which was $81.92 combined. Hopefully, I'm hoping, I'm crossing my fingers and toes, you guys, that Shopkick does not do no funny business, because y'all know they're notorious for pulling a switcheroo on you, right? So I'll keep y'all posted on how it works out. They know they got their lights right in my face. Maybe I should turn my lights on so he can see how it feels. All right, so I'm hoping that everything works out, because as y'all know, Shopkick is notorious for trying to pull a quick one on you. And so, but when I sent in my receipts, everything said 19, and I did screenshots. So I'm hoping that that'll be all right. But you know how Shopkick is. Like I said, you're gonna fight with 6 representatives, and they still ain't gonna give you shit. So I'll keep you guys posted. And other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.